Welcome to TED Talks. In this video, we shall look at how to calculate standard deviation when you are given assumed mean. So, in our example, they are saying that the table below shows the weight of 250 students at a certain day school. The table is having the weight in kilograms. This weight are in kilograms, and the frequency. The table is having classes of 44, starting from 44.0 to 47.9, and 48.0 to 51.9, up to 72.0 to 75.9. So their respective frequencies are also given. So what we are going to do, they are saying that using assumed mean of 57.95, find Roman 1 or part A is mean weight, and then part B is standard deviation. But we know that before starting anything concerning this type of table, this type of data, we need to do what? To find or to create what we call cumulative frequency. So for this case, I'm going to maybe put this one aside. Part B is standard deviation. What we need to do, we are going to form cumulative frequency table. Cumulative frequency table. Say the first column is always the class or the weight. For this case, the class is the weight. We can call it weight. And then after you put the weight, that is 44.0 to 47.9, 48.0 to 51.9, 52.0 to 55.9, 60.0, 56.0 to 59.9, 60.0 to 60.9, and then 64.0 to 67.9, then is 68.0 to 71.9, then 72.0 to 75.9. That's our column for weight, and which is running from so this is our table. This is our table. Then we say that to calculate mean and standard deviation, we need what we are calling value of x, of which value of x we said is the midpoint. So value of x is the midpoint, implying that what we are going to do, we are going to get a column for midpoint or midmark x. So midmark x, we say is obtained by adding the upper class limit plus the lower class limit. Then the answer you get, you divide it by 2. Then that's our midpoint or midmark. So after identifying the midpoint or midmark, then we shall go ahead to look for other values. What are we getting? We are getting the midmark x. So our midmark, we say we are getting 40, we are getting 47.9. 47.9 plus 44.0 divided by 2, it is 45.95. Then we have 48 plus 51.9 divided by 2, we are getting 49.95. So 49.95, here we shall get 54.53. Here we shall get 53.95. Then we have 57.95. And then we shall have this one here, see, 61.95. Then here we shall have 65.95. Then here we shall have 69.95, and then we have 73.95. If you want to confirm this one, you just use your calculator and confirm. Make sure you are working in such a way, because if you make any mistake here, to make your answer that is proceeding to be wrong. Once you make any mistake here and you get 0 bonus, then the rest of the work will become completely wrong. So if you confirm that 72 plus 75.9 divided by 2, you shall get 73.95. When you look at this data, it is like it has the same equal class with this. So what do you need next? You need a column for, we can call it a column for D, of which D we said we get it from x minus a. D we get it from x, from D equals to x minus a. But this time A is standing for assumed mean, and they have given us A as 57.95. So if A is 57.95, then our D will become x minus 57.95, of which x is our midpoint. So here obviously we are going to change our D to become x minus 57.95. So after having that one will be our column for D. As he's saying 57 minus 95, we shall subtract. So we shall have 45.95 minus 57.95. 57.95 shall get negative 12. So if you get negative 12, here we shall get negative 8. If you subtract, here we shall get negative 4. Here we shall get 0, and then 4, 8, 12, and 16. Because 73.95 minus 57.95, we shall get 16. So that is our D. Now by getting D, then we shall proceed in getting other values that follow that will be important in our summing. But what value have you missed? We have missed the important value here, which we are calling the frequency. Frequency, since it's already given, we shall just put the frequencies. So the first frequency of the first class is 3, 17, 50, 45, 46, 57, 23, and 9. So that is our frequency. Say when you finish frequency, you come and get the summation of F. Summation of F means summing whatever is under the is in the column for frequency. So what is that is in the column frequency? We have 3 plus 17, that is 20, plus 50, we get 70, plus 45. 70 plus 45, we get 115. 115 plus 46, which I get 171. 171 plus 57, which I get 228. 171 plus 57 get 228. 228, that is 228 or 218. So let us add 3 plus 17 plus 50 plus 145 plus 46 plus 57 plus 23 plus 9. So the answer, the total answer is 250. Use your calculator to calculate this one. So after getting 250, then this one, we have one value, that is summation of f. So we need f times d, the column for f times d. Then after the column for f of times d, then we need the final column of for f times d squared. Those are the two columns which we need to date. So now f times d means getting f times d or d times f. That's 12 times negative 12 times 3, we are getting negative 36. Then negative 8 times 17, we get negative 100. Negative 136. Negative 4 times 50, get negative 200. Negative 200. 0 times 45, we get 0. Then 46 times 4, we get 184. Then 8 times 57, we get 456. Then 12 times 23, we are getting 276. Then 16 times 9, we are getting 16 times 9, we are getting 144. So immediately finish that one, you are coming and get the summation of FD. So the summation of FD shall add from top up to the last one, that is negative 36 plus negative 136 plus negative 200. Then plus 184 plus 456 plus 276 plus 144. The answer we are getting is 688. That is our answer for FD. So we shall go to the column of FD squared. FD squared, if you get D squared, implying even this negative will become squared. So we shall get 12 squared times 3. 12 squared times 3 become 432. Then get 8 squared times 17, 188. Then 4 squared times 50, get 800. Then 0 times this one, we are getting 0. Then 64 squared times 46, we get 736. Then after getting 736, we have 8 squared times 57. 8 squared times 57, we are getting 3648. And we have 12 square times 23, that is 3312. Then we have 16 square times 9, so we have 2304. Then even here we say immediate finishing, we get summation of FD squared, of which FD squared we are going to add from top up to this one. So we shall get 432 plus 1088 plus 800 plus 736 plus 3648 plus 3312 plus 2304. That is 12,320. So we go to getting our values that we want. So there we have finished the frequency distribution table. What do we need? We are going straight to part A of the working. Part A is saying that if you get our part A, if you see our part A is saying get the mean. The mean we said we denote it as x bar, and x bar is given by A plus summation of FD out of summation of F.